Hello? Hello? Hello, Kuy? Hello, Kuy?
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Kuy? How are you?
Good. Good.
You're good. Oh, you just came from school? Did you just came from school?
Yes.
Okay, you came from school. Okay, so Kuy, our topic will be about, oh, what happened to your hands? What is that in your hands? Is that a flower? What is that in your hands? Can I see? Can I see what is in your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, is that came from school? You get that from school? You get that from school? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what is that? Okay, so now, okay, let us start. Are you ready now? Oh, what is that? What is that drawing? Who did that drawing?
Yes.
It's a butterfly. It's a
Yes.
butterfly. Wow.
Yes. It's a butterfly.
You love butterflies? You love butterflies? Oh, who did that?
Yes.
Who did that to you? Who did that? Who did that in your in this one? In your arms? Is your
Yes.
friend okay, is your friend did that? Do that to you? Who put that butterfly? Okay. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like do you
Yes.
like it? Okay, so
Yes.
okay, now we're going to have our lesson and we will talk about the topic, this one. Okay, so let's just have this one. Okay, so our topic will be about how do you feel? Okay, can you say how do you feel? This one. Can you read this one?
How do you feel?
Okay, how do you feel? Okay, so we will learn how to talk about how
How
you
do
feel
you feel and
and
what
what
you
you
want?
want. Okay, very good. So we will have some pictures here, okay? Some familiar pictures. Okay, so this one is a
A
coffee.
cup.
Okay, so this one, a coffee. Do you like coffee? Do you drink?
Yes.
Okay, so do you drink
I
coffee?
drink coffee.
Oh, you drink coffee.
A
Okay.
sweater.
Oh, okay. So this one, a sweater. Okay. Do you have a sweater? Do you have a sweater, Koy? Do you have a
Yes.
sweater? Okay, so you have a sweater. This one, an
Ice
ice
cream.
cream. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice
Yes.
cream? Okay, so you like
Yes.
ice cream. Okay, very good. Now, how
A
about this
rest.
one? A rest. Look at this one.
A rest.
So, a rest. He is taking a rest. So, he just rest in the sofa or the couch. This one, can you say this one? Some food.
Some food.
Okay, so this is some food. And it can also be a pasta. How about this one? Some water.
Some water.
Okay, so this is some water. Okay. Now let's have some practice. So what is this again? This is
An ice cream.
okay, very good. This one, how about this one? This is
A
okay, a
coffee.
coffee. And this
A
one, a
sweater.
sweater. This one, how about this one?
A food.
Okay,
And
some food. Okay,
some
let's talk about,
different
how do you feel? Okay, so can you read this one? This one. Can you read this one? It's hungry.
It's hungry. I
Uh,
feel hungry.
okay, I feel hungry. Look at this picture. So she feels hungry. Look, she is looking at the foods. in the refrigerator. Okay, so I feel hungry. Okay, how about this one? Thirsty. Can you say thirsty?
Thirsty.
Okay, so she feels thirsty. She feels thirsty. Can you repeat it? Thirsty. Look at this one. So she drink a water because she feels thirsty. Okay? So next one, this is happy. Look at this guy. He is happy. He feels happy. Okay, just like you. Do you feel happy? You feel happy right now? Okay, because of the butterfly. Okay, so you feel happy. Now, how about this one? Sad.
They
feel sad. Look at this one. So look at the two. They feel sad. They are about to cry because they feel sad. Okay? So how about this one? Hot. Okay, so she feels
hot.
Look at this one. So she feels hot. So she have an electric fan because she feels hot. Okay? So next one.
So she feels cold.
Okay, so she feels cold. Look, she is holding a coffee because she wanted to get warm. And because she feels cold. Okay, so she feels cold. Now, about this one. She is tired. Can you say tired? So she feels tired.
Tired.
Okay, look at this tired. Look at this picture. She feels tired. Do you feel tired right now? You feel tired right now, Minkoy? You feel tired?
Yes.
Okay, so because you just went from school, okay, so you feel tired. Now, how about this one?
Angry.
Okay, so, okay, look at this baby. He feels angry, okay, so look at his face. He feels angry, okay, so look at this mouth, his mouth. He feels angry. Okay, now let's go to this one. So, Kuy, this is the picture. Okay, this is the picture. And I will ask you. Now, how do you feel?
I feel drink.
What do you feel when you drink water? You feel?
Yeah.
You feel?
Yeah.
Okay, you feel thirsty. Can you say thirsty? Thirsty. Okay, so when you want, she feels, how do you feel?
She feels thirsty.
Okay, I feel thirsty. Now, how about this one? So this is the picture, and I will ask you, how does he feel? He feels?
He feels
Look at this picture. He feels?
angry.
Okay, so he feels angry. Very good. Now look at this picture, okay? So look at this picture. Now, how does she feel?
She feels.
She feels?
Boring.
Okay, she feels hungry. Can you say hungry? Okay, so yeah, so she is looking for a food because she feels hungry. Okay, now how about this? this one? So this is the picture. Okay, now I will ask you, how do they feel? They feel?
They feel
Look at
sad.
this. Okay, very good. So they feel sad. Okay, so next, let's have some vocabularies. Okay, this one, want.
One.
Example, I want a coffee.
I want a coffee.
So look at this face. Look at his face. It looks like he wants coffee. Look at his cheek. It's getting red because he likes coffee. Or I want a coffee. He want a coffee. How about this one?
I don't want
Okay.
coffee.
Yes, I don't want a coffee. So she uses her hands. I don't want a coffee. How about this one again?
He wants a coffee.
Okay, so he wants a coffee. Now this one, what is again?
That one.
Okay, doesn't want. She
He
doesn't
just want a coffee.
Okay, very good. How about this one? They are now two. Okay, they are now two. So you will use they. Okay, so since there are two, they want a coffee. Okay, how about this one?
They don't want a coffee.
Okay, they don't want a coffee. Look, there are already two, so they don't want a coffee. Now let's have example. What do you want?
I want coffee.
This one, no, this one. You will substitute or you will replace it with ice cream. Instead of coffee, you will say ice cream. Okay, now what is?
I want an ice cream.
Okay, very good. I want an ice cream. So this one, so this is the picture. So I will ask you, do you want?
I don't, I don't want a sweater.
Okay, very good. I don't want a sweater. Now, how about this one? Based on his face, what does he want?
He wants a coffee.
Okay, very good. So he wants a coffee. Now, how about this one? Do they want a rest? Look at this picture.
No, they want a rest.
Okay, no. Look at this picture. No.
No, they want a rest.
Okay, no, they don't. They don't want a rest. Okay.
Want a rest.
Yes, they don't want a rest. Okay, now let's have some dialogue. Minkoy. So I will be the teacher and you will be Arisa. Okay, so let's have some dialogue. So do you feel tired, Arisa?
No, I don't.
Now, how do you feel?
I feel hungry.
That's no good. What do you want?
I want some food.
Okay. Do you feel hungry? I know. You're the one who will say this one. Okay. You go.
Do you feel hungry?
No, I don't. This one. You will
Do you feel hungry?
No, I don't.
How do you feel?
I feel thirsty.
That's no good. Do you want some water?
Yes, please. Okay, so Koy, remember, if you want food, you are hungry. Okay? At the same time, if you want some water, you feel thirsty. Okay? So the partner of hungry is food. Now, the partner of thirsty thirsty is water. When you say thirsty, it's water. Okay?
Water.
Water. Okay, very good. Now let's have this one, okay? So you will give me the correct answer to each question. But first,
Okay.
you are going
Okay.
you are going to read this one first, okay? So you will read the question first. Let's go to number 1.
If we
Okay, what is your answer?
for us, he feel good.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay. He feels cold. Is that it? Okay, so what is your answer?
He feel cool.
Okay, so he feel cold. Okay, now let's go to number 2.
What do you want?
Okay, what do you want? What is your answer? What is your answer? And the question, what do you want?
I want a
This one? I want an ice cream? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that is correct. So I want an ice cream without S. Okay? So let's go to number 3. What is your answer? This one, number 3.
Does he want an ice cream?
Okay, so what is your answer?
B.
Is letter? Oh, that is your... Yeah? Okay. Is your dog the one answering? Your dog?
Yes.
What is his name? What is the name of your dog? Your dog. What is that name? Is there a name to the dog you are holding?
Yeah.
What is his name? What is that? What is the name?
Anything.
Okay, so can you answer this one? What is your answer to number 3? You can ask. What is your answer?
Does.
What? It's letter? Okay, I heard it. Yeah, this one.
No, B.
B. Okay, yes, it's B. Yes, she does. Okay, so remember, so it uses dash, she does. Okay, that is correct. Good. Now let's go to number 4.
How do you feel? I feel happy.
Okay, yes, I feel happy. It must be without S, okay? Without S. I feel happy because you uses I. Okay, now let's go to number 5.
What do they want?
Okay, what do they want?
They want some water.
Okay, it's letter C. Okay, very good. They want some water. Okay, so that is correct. So there must be no S. Okay, in want and some. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Okay, they want some water. Now let's go to number 6.
Do you feel angry?
Okay, what is your answer?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Yes, I do because this one. Yes, I do. And you uses I. Okay, when you use I, there must be no S. Okay, very good, good. Now let's have another dialogue and you will fill in the blanks. Okay, So
Do
I
you
will.
feel hungry?
Okay, so what is this?
Do
Do
you
you
feel
feel
hungry?
hungry? Okay, now what is your answer?
No, I do.
No, I do
No,
or
I
don't?
feel.
No,
Do.
no, I do, or no, I don't.
No, I don't. No, I. No, I.
Okay,
No, I
yes.
don't.
No, I don't, because your answer is no. Okay, no. So this
Okay.
one.
How do you feel?
Okay, how do you feel? What is your answer?
I feel cool and hungry. No, hungry. How
Okay.
about you feel?
Okay, I feel
Uh,
cold and hungry. How about you? How do you
how
feel?
about you feel?
Okay, that is correct. Very good, Kuy. Now this one, what is the teacher's answer?
Okay.
This one. Can you read this one,
I,
please?
I feel cool and hungry too.
Okay, now.
What do you feel?
What do you feel? Are you sure? What do you feel?
No.
Okay, you
What
can change it.
do
What do you?
uh
Look at this one. That you can have a clue in the teacher's answer.
uh what do you
Look at this one. Look
what
at
do
the
you
answer of the teacher.
I want a sweater.
Okay, so what must be the question? What must be the question?
I want a sweater. What do you want?
Okay, so Ling, the question of Ling must also be, what do you want? Okay?
Want.
Okay, what do you want? Now this one, let's read this one again.
I want a sweater. What do you want?
Okay, very good. And let's have this one last.
I want a sweater and some food.
Okay, very good. And some food. Okay, very good, Kuy. Okay, so we're going to, what will be, okay, on Friday, we are not going to meet on Friday. Okay, so did you learn something, Kuy, about how do you feel? Okay, again,
Yeah.
I will ask you again, how do you feel right now? How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Happy? Okay, so thank you very much, Kuy. I also feel happy. Okay,
See you again.
okay, see you again. Okay, thank you very much, and
Bye.
goodbye. Goodbye, Kuy.
Bye.
Goodbye.